power button, and then you've got flame low and high and off. So I'm going to turn it back on and put it on high. And then you've got your heat right here, low and high. So you turn that on, and you got one light that shows that it's on low, two lights that shows that it's on high. And if you don't want your flame going for some reason, you can turn the flame off, and that light will glow, and those will stay on so you know your heater's going. But why would you not have your flame on? And then you can make the crackling sound. And there's different crackling sounds that you can do. It's very well made. Everything lines up perfectly. It's very square. It's quality. There's magnetic pulls on the door, and they're perfect. They keep it shut, but they're not hard to open. You've got a screen with handles, just like in a real fireplace. I absolutely love it. So the heat comes out right here, and then if you don't have your remote, there's a little access right here that has your power, flame, heat, blower, and then heat setting from 0 to 10, I believe. So that's it. You can leave your screen closed with your door open, the glass doors open, and it looks awesome. I love it.
Here we go. Doggies are happy and very calm because they got a fireplace. Sorry about that vacuum cleaner, but it's Sunday, so we're gonna have to clean the house. Anyways, this is it. I had one in there, electric fireplace insert, but it finally died after 18 years, and that's okay. So I got this one. It was my second choice, but when I read the reviews and the first one I picked, I canceled, and then I found this one with good reviews, and it's great. It looks awesome. Install was perfect. No screws needed whatsoever. I just slid it in. No bracket required. It's just holding itself with the here. I guess you see that. My old one did not have that, so this is what holds it in. And it's beautiful. And it heats my living room, which is about, I don't know, it's pretty big. 600 square feet or something. And it's warm in here. Anyways, thank you very much. I am enjoying it. And so are the doggies, Rambo and Kelly. Bye.
Just set it up. Absolutely love it. We had, this is our old one. This is our insert. And it still works, but the flames and everything just kept, like, going off. And I know you can just put new bulbs and stuff in it, but it was such a pain. Like, you had to unscrew pretty much the whole entire insert, like, take the whole box apart just to put new bulbs in for the flames to work. Plus, it started making a screechy noise. But, this absolutely fits perfectly. We got this casing at Lowe's years and years ago, and it was brown and I painted it white. I love the sound effects. I love the screen. It makes it look really realistic, and then the blue flames. But yeah, looks really good.
We have had this fireplace for about 2 years now. There's a remote that it comes with to turn it on and change the settings, but then you can also change the settings from here. There's different sounds, fireplace sounds, and then 2 different heat settings, and then you can also change what the flame looks like. And you can also just have the flame without the heat on it as well. The doors open up, they're magnetic, and then this also moves around. The logs are tied on with zip ties. We left them tied on, but you can see right there, tied on with zip ties. We left them tied on just because we have kids and don't plan on messing with it. The heat comes out in the top left portion, and we have been really happy with this purchase and this add-on.
Hey everybody, this is what Laura and I did today.
Merry Christmas.
Look at that. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. And you don't have to listen to me. Anyway, God bless you. It was pretty cool, huh? We done did that. We did that, the both of us. Bye.